Well, it's been probably 6 weeks, right, in the build, in the restoration, but we're nearly there on the Moto Martin. But we do have an issue with the shoe. Is it a shoe or a Sammy? The shoe don't fit, mainly because the shoe is a generic shoe, right? So the boot, is on the other foot. Got it? Hey, and that foot isn't here because it don't fit. Also, we've been looking at it a lot and we think, don't we, that it's better cleaner.
Much nicer. You can see the collectors underneath. It looks really cool.
Apart from Le Shoe, I personally think this is one of the most exciting days of my life. So this is how it's going to roll, right? Guy's going to turn up, we're going to do the big reveal of the bike. We've got to put a few stickers on before all that. Then we are all going to ride out on a selection of very strange vehicles. As always to Motor Hub, have a quick cup of coffee, end of the series, kind of a tradition. But Andy from Bonhams is going to turn up and see, he's going to value the Moto Martin and see whether I've actually made some money or I've lost my shirt. The interesting thing is, I actually don't care. Putting on the stickers proves a little more complicated than we thought.
Well, which way up do you want?
No! Other way.
That way?
Yep.
Okay, so you need to stand.
You've done it again!
It's stuck.
We've got stickage.
Oh no. Because of the heat, there's loads of static electricity round the bike, making the stickers very hard to position.
Ah! See?
Eventually though, it all comes good.
Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah.
Yeah, spot on.
Three months ago, we found a pile of parts and the bones of my dream bike down in London. I've waited so long for this, man. We stripped it, threw away most of it, and then began the rebuild with the help of some of the finest craftsmen and women on the planet. Shall I just leave?
Yes.
We hard chromed it, nickel plated it, painted it,
It's not his usual scheme, is it?
and gave it the love. Now it's ready for its debut. It's been 40 years, Skid's here, and we're going to reveal the Moto Martin not only to you at home, but also to the skiddery. Are you ready for this, mate?
Mate, I can honestly say I am very genuinely excited.
Are you really?
Yeah, because these for me are the genesis of everything I do to bikes.
Absolutely, mate. And you and I, at the age of 15, nose, glass, mo check. Oh, look at that!
Yeah,
eh?
dreaming.
Dreaming, mate. 40 years, eh? 40 years. Go on then, do it. And here it is, a Moto Martin Suzuki GSX 1100. The perfect combination of Japanese muscle, French flair, and British restoration talent.
That is fabulous.
Really?
Yeah, honestly, mate, I love it. I love the nickel frame as well. I'm glad you didn't paint it.
No way.
It's fantastic, mate. It's everything that you can dream for in one of those.
Can I tell you one thing though? I mean, Millie and Sammy have they've turned my dream into a reality, right? Are you happy, boys?
The colour is just incredible with the nickel and the blue and the racing colours. It's perfect.
I like the gold.
Yeah, you would do, mate. Yeah, you're like a little magpie like me, eh? Gold and a bit of nickel plate, happy days. Millie, I've got something for you, okay?
Mine's boggling. Maybe a spanner or something?
No, much better than that.
New screwdrivers?
Listen, right? This is from Tom at Image Designs. It's from me, it's from Sammy, and it's also from Skid, mainly because he's here, yeah? To thank you so much for doing such an incredible job.
Oh, cool, look at that.
Hey, what do you reckon?
It's just the business.
Yeah.
Number 10.
Yeah, number 10, because obviously it's our 10th anniversary, hence the number 10. Put it on, Millie, let's see what you look like.
I love the bubble.
The bubble's good, mate. I knew you'd like that.
It fits perfect.
Look, it's great, man.
You can hear yourself talking in the echo.
You do look like you do look like something from outer space. Hey, look, I'll tell you what, my heart is going like that. Why? Because I'm going to ride this Moto Martin for the first time. We're going to go to Motor Hub, our favourite little haunt, for a quick cup of scorch. Yeah, and I'll tell you what, have we got an eclectic mix of motorcycles to go on. Alan's got his very latest 6-cylinder Z1 conversion. What was that originally, Z1B?
Z1B, yeah, 1974.
Skid's going to be on his Honda CB1100 Custom Special.
It's got the race fits, it's got the different bars.
And for Sammy, Mr. I Hate Everything post-1940, a brand new Suzuki Gixxer.
Slightly frightened?
Yeah, I would be. And I'm on, of course, our rebuilt Moto Martin.
Just lost for words, man. This genuinely has been a dream for me since I was about 15. And I got Skid with me and Sammy and Alan, my 3 best mates. Oh man, life just doesn't get better than this. I'm riding a Moto Martin. Just me saying that is quite unbelievable to me.
The gears are smooth, the engine is so responsive and the whole thing is so well balanced. This is an 1100cc bike, but it feels like a 250.
And back in the day, in the 80s, you know, when the CBXs were around, Z1s, etc., they were very heavy and didn't handle great. Can you imagine when this Moto Martin frame came out and you could drop your engine into one of these kits and have a bike that handles like this? You can understand why it's become iconic. Oh, yes, please, man. Yes, please.
As for the others, Sam's brand new Gixxer can do 100 miles an hour in first gear, but he's taking it a little steadier. Alan's pootling along nicely with his number 10 helmet and his 1974 bike. And Skid looks great on his latest special from 5.4 Customs. Nothing, however, compares to the Moto Martin. I don't really know what to say, actually, after that ride. It's been 40 years in the making, and that is as good as I ever thought it was. This, as a 10th anniversary restoration, I think is, well, I think it was the right thing to do, eh?
Definitely, it's the nicest bike out of all of them.
It is, isn't it? Really. Hey, look, okay, so we're here at the Motor Hub, we're having coffee, and it's all lovely. But we're here for a couple of reasons. Obviously, one, because we wanted to ride it, and two, because Sammy was actually on a Gixxer. How was that, mate?
It is utterly fantastic. Amazing, beautifully well-mannered. I hate it.
Tell me why.
This thing's quite comfortable, but I don't know, I'm not enjoying the view.
I have to say, that is a projectile. I think I'd run out of talent after third gear. The main reason why we're here, obviously, is to find out whether I've lost my shirt or not. So, Al, what was the price we bought ostensibly a bag of bits for?
About £9,750.
Just about. I remember it to be exactly. So we bought the Moto Martin for 9,750 quid off Freddie. I have now spent in total, just checking the wife ain't around, I've spent another 11,000 quid. So, have we made any money, or are we actually going to have to wait about 10 years to actually get our money back? To that end, Andy's with us here from Bonhams, and he's been having a look at our Moto Martin, hey? Are these desirable nowish?
They are, yeah. I think in the next sort of 5-10 years, they'll become more and more popular. It'll be like one of those icons that, you know, you can't ever find because everyone squirreled them away.
This is music to my ears and to Alan's, if he could hear anything. Yeah. So, Andy, okay. Should I sit down or should I just stay standing?
I would sit down.
Okay. I'm sitting down. Tell me how much you would value that if I was going to put it into a Bonhams auction. The final moment of truth of the series has come. Tomorrow, will I be wearing a silk shirt or a hair shirt?
As an estimate, I would be looking about £12,000 to £16,000.
Oh, sugar.
Hang on, we were offered 25,000 the other day.
Yeah. Now, my mate Anthony Godin, when we were riding the Vincent, and he goes, I'll give you 25 grand. Hey,
Hey, hang on a minute.
what?
You told me you'd never sell it.
I'm not going to sell it.
Okay.
I promise you, mate, this will be buried with me. Hey, look, I've lost my shirt. Let's just admit it, okay? But I don't care, because we have saved another one. Hey, haven't we, lads? So, that's about it, really, isn't it? Hey, for this series, I have to tell you, right, it's our 10th anniversary, and I can't thank you enough, folks, for watching us. We've had a laugh. I tell you what, it beats working for a living, doesn't it? And roll on the next 10 years!